As far as Doge support floor, it explicitly is currently $0.056 and in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin cost investigation certainly is bullish today, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Doge truly rose 3.83% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. 18 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense. Got clarification on some things, facts. What in every practical sense is especially momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. By and large is Doge an especially wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Yet prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the Doge specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $25,060,241,952. Or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a cost difference in 2.54% inside a similar time span, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, essentially has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP by and large is up by 1, and as of now exchanging at 50 cents, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in an essentially descending bearing for genuinely present moment, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, and in every way that really matters, general sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more most certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors generally become move kind of dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So as far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently $0.056, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution, the cost of Dogecoin. Doge generally is at $0.063, up 0.45% in the beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 3.83% throughout the week. Fundamentally further appearance. How the very complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $25,060,241,952, which basically is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is $191,834,580.00 United States dollars, while most certainly all-out market cap came to $8,838,129,208 United States dollars. or so they thought. There certainly are practically 141,057,336,384 explicitly are available for use out of 141,057,336,384 in an especially large manner. Dogecoin Value Examination Doge Cost Examination for 18 September 2023, Insight and especially day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, showing how the extremely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $25,060,241,952 in a sort of large manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward, moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving commonly normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Dogecoin, which in a real sense shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC, generally, is 191,834,580.00 United States dollars, while certainly complete market cap came to $8,838,129,208 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. While Doge's Williams %R marker by and large is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange kind of sign in a real sense is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, or so they all things considered thought. The MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution, the cost of Dogecoin. Doge basically is at $0.063, up 0.45% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 3.83% throughout the week. Sort of additional appearance how the complete exchanging volume basically remains at $25,060,241,952 in a genuinely enormous manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday diagram, which sort of is genuinely huge. The essentially relative strength file RSI demonstrates that the Dogecoin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 24. Exhibiting how the MACD line truly is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing that following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution, the cost of Dogecoin. Doge essentially is at $0.063, up 0.45% in the precise beyond 24 hours and for the most part has a value change of 3.83% over the course of the week, sort of additional appearance how the essentially complete exchanging volume in a real